Test your English with 40 mixed level questions. Think you can score 100%? Pick the correct option. Answer B. Impressive. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Performance. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer A. Peaceful. Find the best synonym of interest. Answer D. Curiosity. Which word is a synonym of genial? Answer A. Friendly. What does an insult to injury mean? Answer C. Worsen. What does get above yourself mean? Answer B. Be arrogant. Choose the plural of fish. Answer C. Fish. What is the plural form of oasis? Answer A. Oases. Choose the plural of typology. Answer D. Typologies. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer C. To whom should I address this issue? Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer A. By next year, she will have worked here for a decade. Can you guess the missing word? Answer D. They must have finished the project by now. Select the antonym of greedy. Answer B. Generous. Pick the antonym of abstract. Answer D. Concrete. What is the opposite of restrain? Answer A. Release. What is the past tense of sow? Answer C. Sowed. Choose the correct past form of dive. Answer D. Dived. What is the past form of inset? Answer A. Inset. Which is a synonym of region? Answer B. Area. Pick a synonym of proud. Answer C. Satisfied. Choose a synonym of overturn. Answer A. Confirm. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Exchange. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer B. Charming. Pick the correct option. Answer D. Comfortably. Which option is correct? Answer B. Description. What is the plural of medium? Answer D. Media. What is the plural of focus? Answer C. Foci. What is the plural of loaf? Answer A. Loaves. Fill the gap. Answer D. If it gets too late, we'll take a taxi. Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. He acted with great courage. Fill the gap. Answer C. He is skilled enough to repair the car himself. What does keep your hair on mean? Answer B. Stay calm. What does dig your heels in mean? Answer D. Refuse. What does drop a brick mean? Answer C. Blunder. What is the past tense of remake? Answer A. Remade. So close now, just 4 questions remaining. Choose past form of put. Answer B. Put. What is the past form of swim? Answer A. Swam. What is the antonym of elasticity? Answer C. Rigidity. Select the antonym of bold. Answer B. Timid. Congratulations! Share your score in the comments and subscribe for more quizzes.